Hello guys, this is the GTA Star here, and I am going to try to find some kids that rage, and I'm going to just use a soundboard that I have in Ghost Lobby. So here we go. See you, Nathan. I'm going into game chat. Alright guys, see if we find anybody. Hope we get a good lobby. Guys, I haven't played this game in a while. What do you know?
Well, you need to go. Hey, you must be a parking ticket, because you got fines written all over you. Get ready for the next round. Shut up, bitch! Shut the fuck up! Search and destroy. You gonna learn today? Defend the objective. Enemy SATCOM spotted. Cover me, I'm reloading.
I don't give a fuck. You bitch ass.
Fuck you!
No, fuck you, bitch. You better get it out your system now, because you know damn well you can't say it in public with your bitch ass. Yeah, say nigga.
Shut up, bitch!
Nigga. Say it. Say nigga.
Alright.
It was Kevin Hart.
Shut up, bitch! Shut up, bitch! Alright. I make you suck on this long dick. You gonna learn today. Alright.
Excellent job, girls. Get ready for the next round.
Alright.
Now, leave it to Kevin Hart back there.
Give it to Kevin Hart, baby. Alright.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective.
Who winning? Y'all winning? Y'all on the same page?
On drugs, but I found Jesus. Granted, I didn't know him when I was out there sucking dick for money. He's hacking, dude. Fucking hacking. Oh, wait, there. What's up? In the front. What the? Yo, man, what the? Hey, man, shut the fuck up!
Damn. Bang, shots fired.
Fuck you and these ugly ass kids!
Bombs been planted.
Take a drone, but... You're gonna learn today. You'll learn what a long stick looks like today.
Good ass to Kevin Hart.
hear me cuss at him.
Do it. We lost that round, but we can still win this.
You ain't gonna learn shit from your ass. You know white boys got little dick.
You gonna learn today.
Boy got no dead. Gonna learn today. Guess you gonna learn today. Yeah, you gonna learn. Search and destroy.
Stop being a bitch. You got it. Ball out.
Defend the objective.
You got it. Ball out.
Enemy SATCOM spotted. SATCOM uplink enabled. SATCOM uplink enabled.
My son's spelling the shit out of these motherfucking words.
Fuck you, camera.
Wait a minute. Hold on. Okay.
Anyway,
Bombs been planted.
right, so you would. That's right.
The way my bank account is set up, is that good? I got a checking and the savings, but all the money is in my savings, so I don't think it's gonna go through. Just give me a second.
All he doing is playing kind of hard.
Gonna learn. Gonna learn today.
You gonna learn today.
You gonna learn from
You gonna learn today.
They said you gonna learn today. See, they talking to me.
Objective failed. Regroup.
Shut up, bitch. All right. Let you suck on this long dick. You gonna learn today. You gonna learn today. All right.
Daddy. Oh, is that killer wicked? One more kill. Alright.
And the folks that you know.
All right.
Yes.
Alright.
Find that it is, bitch.
Yeah.
My son's spelling the shit out of these motherfucking words.
Alright.
And there ain't no penis, that's a long dick.
They love content.
Yeah, I'm sure you love long dicks.
Bitch, get the goddamn steak out the pan. Bitch, put the steak in my hand. I'm ready to go. Bitch, put it in the bag.
What the fuck? Alright.
You already know thermal going on this game. Yo, already know.
Y'all can't see shit more than that with me.
I got a whole freezer full of popsicles.
Destroy the objective. Bomb acquired. He's putting on like. I got a whole freezer full of popsicles.
One lucky son bitch.
Fuck you, Zach. You know we got this too.
Fuck, I don't know.
Bombs been planted. Excellent job, Ghost. Alright.
It's starting to piss me
You know,
off,
it's got
you
to
little
do-
piglet son bitch. Stop being a bitch. You got it. Ball out.
Search.
You tell me I'm wrong, and I find them, I'm shooting their dick twice. Me, by myself, one gun, one bullet, all day, every. Alright.
Hey, 7,020 kill. Let's get it.
I'm ripping them to smithereens right now. I do.
Yeah, dickhead.
I have no idea.
Fuck you
His biggest fan like shit.
Search and destroy. Enemy care package incoming.
Did y'all like that soundboard? Well, I'm out. Check out my YouTube video. Well, guys, I hope you liked that. That was a YouTube video of Ghost. Hope you enjoyed.